Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your lips look bigger. I've seen JLo's makeup artist do certain things on her lips to make her lips look bigger, and then certain other things I've learned from other artists. Before we get into the tutorial, if you would like to know how I got these curls, this loose wave curls, I do have a tutorial on this. It will go up right after this video within a few days, but if you're watching this in the future, check the description box for, to be honest, all the products that are mentioned in this video and a link to this curling video. If you'd also like a tutorial on my eye look, it's really simple and makes brown eyes pop. I have a tutorial on this as well that's out already, so I will link that down below. So to make your lips look naturally bigger, you want to scrub them. You can use a mixture of honey and sugar, granulated sugar, and create a paste out of it and use that as a lip scrub. But I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Perfect Pout lip scrub. It says limited edition here, I just saw that, and it's like this thing from inside, but you can use any like lip scrub that you can find in the market that you think that works best. But if I'm being honest, granulated sugar and honey work just the same. Another way you can scrub is by using a toothbrush. Literally just go in round circular motions on top of your lips, but make sure you're being extra gentle because you know it's your lips, you don't want to damage them. For today's video, I'm actually gonna use both of these just to show you guys. So I've already put the scrub on my lips, as you can see, and I'm now gonna scrub my lips using the toothbrush. If you're doing this after you have put on your foundation like I am, as you can see, it's going to take off the foundation from the edges of your lips. Don't worry, you can go in with the foundation brush or the makeup sponge that you used to apply your foundation. With whatever is left of your foundation, just go on top. So we're done with that. I'm gonna wipe this off and be right back. And the reason why I think scrubbing makes a difference is because it makes all the blood inside your body rush to your lips, so it gives them a nice tint and it also makes them a little bit more plump. I'm using the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is my absolute favorite lip balm of all time, and right now I know I have foundation lips, but don't worry about that. Few habits that naturally keep your lip plump are drinking a lot of water and of course having a nice diet. If you don't want to use a cosmetic lip plumper, you can use cinnamon bark oil, but I gotta warn you, it really kind of hurts on your lips, but it does plump up your lips. So it's up to you if you want to use this or not. I have literally used it once or twice and I've had this for years, like literally 2 or 3 years. But that pain, I cannot get over that pain.
12 seconds later.
Should I use it today? Literally need just 1 drop. I'm scared, but let's do it. I'm gonna let it sit on my lips for 2 to 3 minutes if I can bear it. My eyes are watering a little bit from how much this stings, but I'll take it. Okay. Do my lips look bigger? I'm gonna wipe off the oil residue and the lip balm residue. I'm gonna contour using the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade medium. You don't have to do each and every single step that I do in this video. You can pick and choose, or you can do just one of them, or you can do all of them. It all depends on you, but you will definitely get a better result if you do even just one of this versus not doing any of these. You know what I mean? I'm only gonna put it on my lower lip, even here, because it's gonna give you that shadow here and it's gonna make it look like your lower lip is protruding out. I'm not gonna do it on my top lip. Scott Barnes does it on the top lip also. I don't like how it looks on me personally. I'm gonna blend it using my finger. It's very hard to detect it on the lower lip, and that is why I'm okay with doing it on my lower lip. Next, I'm gonna line my lips using the Faces Lip Contour in Café Latte. I've used this in, I think, all of my makeup tutorials. This is my favorite lip liner to overline my lips with, and also just in general, it's my favorite lip liner. This is the swatch of it. It's a very brown lip liner. You want to use a lip liner that is 1 to 2 shades darker than your lips. If your skin is lighter than me, the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in Chocolate Boy should be a good match for you. This is the swatch of it right here. It's literally just one step down the Café Latte shade. This is the Café Latte shade and this is the Nykaa lip liner. And I'm gonna go significantly lower than where my lip is. I'm gonna sort of make a triangle on the edges of my lips. What this is going to do is pull back this area and bring forward this area, because this is going to be the lighter area. So it's gonna look much poutier. And on my upper lip, I really don't like overlining this area because it is very, very detectable and it looks like you do not know how to put lipstick on. When you turn this way or this way, it's very evident. And even when someone is standing in front of you, if you've overlined your lips a little bit too much, I'm sorry, but it looks really gross to me. It's literally one of my makeup pet peeves when people do that. So what you want to do is you want to trace the line of your lips and go over very slightly. Do you see that? This white portion, I'm sorry, I got it over there, but I'll clean it up. You see this white portion? You really want to just go over there. Do not cross that white line. The Cupid's bow is where you can overline a little bit more if you would like to. I generally don't, but for the purpose of this video, I will show you how to do that. I'm gonna take a really thin brush, eyebrow brush like this with nothing on, no concealer on, and I'm gonna clean around my lip line. I don't like using a concealer on because it gives you a white line around your mouth. I'm also using this to kind of blend the lip liner into my lips. I'm gonna create those same triangles on my upper lip as well. Now you can use any lipstick at this point. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade SheEO. I'm only gonna use it in the centers of my lips. I'm gonna use a brush like this. This is actually an eyeshadow brush. If you wanna use a lip brush, you can do that by all means. And I'm gonna blend it on the outer edges. You can totally leave it here if you don't want to add a gloss, but you know me, I am going to add a gloss. Best thing is a gloss totally adds even more dimension to your lips and makes them look even more poutier. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty gloss in, this is their original gloss, Fenty Glow. I think it's called Fenty Glow, but I absolutely love this gloss from NYX. It's the Butter Gloss in the shade 14, but it also does have a name. Madeleine. You know what? I'm gonna use this today actually. Just on the centers of my lips. I'm gonna use the Fenty on the top. Another thing I like doing is I like to draw a line with the same lip liner that I used to line my lip and blend it out. Some people like to do this when they're lining their lips, but I feel like it kind of fades away after you put on your lipstick and then your gloss. So I like doing this after I've applied my lipstick. There you have it. How to get your lips to look much bigger than they are. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Everything that I used in this video along with my social media handles is listed down in the description, so please check that out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!